guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's been too long. I've missed you guys so much. I am so happy that I am blessed to be able to record this video for you, and I finally got a new computer. So I should not be having any kind of computer problems at all for a really long time, knock on wood. But this video is all about the brand new LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. I found this little baby today at Ulta, and I was like, I need to post a video. And this is something I actually been wanting to try for the longest. I was on a hunt for a new everyday foundation, and you can't go wrong with $8.99 for a foundation. So I'm just gonna shut up now, and we are gonna go ahead and jump straight into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next one. This is actually in the shade Cafe. Okay, so in my Ulta, they only had, not gonna lie, like 6 shades. The darkest one that they did have was Cafe, and then they had one more that was underneath that, which was Sand. I just felt like Sand was gonna be too pale on me, so hopefully Cafe is not too dark. But in my Ulta, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so my bad, they had 8 foundation shades. If you want to purchase it online at Ulta, you can. They have a couple more shades online. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Why is it that all the colored shades are only available online? I don't know. Like, all of the varieties of the colors, like the tans and the deeps, are available only online. Do we only shop online? I don't know. But on the also at Ulta, I got this for, how much was this? This was cheap. It was $8.99. At lagirl.com, it's $10. And they actually have a couple more shades. I believe on that website they have the full line. So either you go into the store, you're light skin, and you can go into the store and get your shade, or you have to go online and order your shade. So those are your options. Let's see what this foundation claims. So on the LA Girl website, it claims, with a soft and suede-like finish, Pro Matte Foundation will have you covered and shine-free all day. Creamy liquid formula provides a smooth and buildable coverage for both day and nighttime wear. Minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for an even, soft, focused finish. Paraben-free. It's a paraben-free formula with added vitamins E, B5, and sunflower oil. That's exciting. I'm going to apply this as I would normally do with my foundation routine to actually put it through the test. My face is already primed. Today I use my Benefit Pore Minimizer Primer. So I'm just going to squeeze this out onto my hand. I love that it comes with a pump. To me, any foundation that comes with a pump is going to be a good foundation. I mean, the Estee Lauder doesn't come with a pump, but if you do not know, you can head to your local Macy's or wherever you purchase your Estee Lauder foundation from, and now they are currently selling pumps for your foundation. You're welcome. Okay, so let's squeeze this out. Okay, so I am a full coverage girl, so where I'm going to try and just do 2 pumps on the back of my hand and see where that gets us. But it normally doesn't get me too far, but we'll see. Okay, so on this side, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown Full Coverage Face Brush. The shade looks, oh, okay. Cafe doesn't look too bad on me. I hope this doesn't oxidize. And this is the darkest color that was available in Ulta. And I'm not that dark. So that kind of sucks. This coverage looks good. Look at how smooth my skin looks on screen. Hey, okay. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, so you see how that 2 pumps is already gone? Okay. I'm used to that though. I'm one of the girls that like overdo it with their foundation and concealer and highlighter. I want to show you my skin. So this is what it looks like with my Bobbi Brown Full Coverage Face Brush. It looks so smooth. And then this is my skin with nothing, of course. So it really does blur out the pores. It's full coverage. Ooh, and it's like my perfect color. Hey. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm gonna do the other side with my beauty blender. So this is the side with the beauty blender, and it looks the same way as this side looks, in my opinion. Everything looks smooth. I don't see any creases just yet. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my face for you off camera, and then I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I am finally black. Wow. I am finally back. 5:42 here. So I am gonna go try and catch some sunlight and get some good selfies in for you guys. But so far so good. I am loving the foundation. Look at it. I know you'll see my highlight. Thank you, Riri. But yeah, I just love how the foundation looks on my skin. I'm just gonna zoom you in just a tad. Oh, my back. Just so you can see my skin. Look at that. I might like this one. Okay, so far I'm loving it. Out of a 10, I would probably give it an 8. I don't have any creases in my smile line. Nothing bad. Let me zoom you back out. You're just way too close for my comfort. But yeah, so I am going to go on with the rest of my day, and I will see you throughout it. Bye. Okay, so I did not get to finish the ending of this video because my camera did die, but I did get to catch this slow-mo for you guys. This was around 12 o'clock p.m. that night. It was before I washed my face. I love everything about the foundation. It gives you a nice, healthy, radiant skin kind of glow after you wear it for a while, but it doesn't give you that excessive glow. Oh, look at that smile. It just looks so good. I have no smile lines. I don't have any creases in my nose. My forehead is not extremely shiny. I would 100% recommend this foundation. Even though the shade range is not great, I would still say if you can find your shade, definitely try it out. I hope that they do expand the shades a little bit. P.S. My eyes were red and running. They were just extremely irritated, and I'm not exactly sure by what, but that is why my eyes are red. I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.